We're asking for the court to make a declaration that my client meets the criteria set out by the Supreme Court of Canada in the Carter decision, both in 2015 and 2016. That'll allow him to get the assistance he needs.
And why is it necessary to get this declaration?
Well, the declaration is important, I guess, for two reasons. One is that we're in a little bit of an uncertain legal period at the moment. A lot of both counsel and doctors are unsure whether a declaration from a court is required in order to get this assistance. And I guess the second reason is that this is such an important issue that hasn't been decided either in this province before or since the expiration of the Carter decision, that it would be helpful to have some guidance for this court, not only for this province but for the rest of the country on a go-forward basis, on what the extent of court involvement or solicitor involvement needs to be on a go-forward basis.
It seems like it's really important for the doctors in this case to get some assurance that they won't be prosecuted. Is that fair?
I think it's fair. I think part of that is being the first person to do this since the expiry of the time period. I'm hopeful that that kind of trepidation or that kind of concern won't be present on a go-forward basis, depending on the comments that are made by the court as a result of this case. But I mean, I can understand it. At the end of the day, it's not the lawyers, it's not the applicant, it's not the patient. It is the doctors who are taking on responsibility in such a case. So I can completely understand that they're looking for some guidance from the courts.